Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Christmas cake. So we're going to start off by soaking our fruit. So I've just got a packet of mixed fruit here and I'm just going to add that into a bowl and then I'm going to add some brandy. And then I'm just going to leave that to soak for at least 12 hours, but overnight is best. Now I'm just using a pre-mixed packet of mixed fruit, but if you want you can weigh out all your sultanas, your raisins, your candied peel, but I think it's easy to just use a packet. So the next day once that soaks, we're going to take a nice big bowl and we're going to sieve in our self-raising flour, our brown sugar, then I got some spice, I've got some mixed spice, some ginger and some cinnamon, and we're going to place that into our sieve, along with a bit of salt and bicarbonate of soda, and you're just going to shuffle that through your sieve. Now when you get to the bottom of that brown sugar, you might need to use a spoon just to push that all through. Then we're going to go in with our soft unsalted butter and our eggs. Now if you want all the details of the ingredients per cake tin size, they will all be in the description box below. So once you've added in all your eggs, you're going to take your electric mixer and you're just going to beat that for a good couple of minutes until everything is combined and it's light and fluffy. So once that's all smooth and mixed through, we're going to go in with our mixed fruit. So you're just going to dump all that in along with any liquid which is at the bottom. And now at this point, if you forgot to add in the golden syrup like I did, you can add that in now, but you should add it in when you add all your other ingredients to the bowl. And then also a bit of grated orange zest and a bit of grated lemon zest. This is going to add a really nice citrus flavour. So I'm just using a spatula to fold that all through. And once that's all combined, we're going to take a cake tin. Now I've wrapped the outside of it in newspaper. I've just used a bit of masking tape to stick it together. There's also a bit of newspaper on the bottom of the tin, and then it's greased and lined with parchment paper. So you're going to pour in all of that cake mix, and it'll look like quite a lot of cake mix for that tin, but remember it's a deep cake and we're going to be baking it for a long time. So use a spatula to smooth it off as much as possible. And then you're going to cover that with a bit of tin foil and then place that into the oven at about 140 degrees for a good few hours. I'll leave all the timings below, but it'll take a few hours. Once it comes out and it's cooled, we're going to soak that with a little bit of brandy. Then every couple of weeks, running up to Christmas, you want to give it another feed with brandy. Now don't worry, it's not going to make you get all drunk. It's just enough to keep the cake moist. Now if you want to see a few different ways to decorate a cake, you can click the eye icon up there. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. As I said, all the ingredients, quantities, tin sizes, baking times, they'll all be in the description box below. If you've loved this video, you can hit the thumbs up button. You can subscribe if you're not already. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.